Hey guys, welcome back to another Elixir Notes video here. In this video, I'll be showing you an amazing plugin called Pinata Party. It's an amazing vote party featured plugin where people can actually spawn a llama and people hit it and they get rewards. So I'll be showing you that now shortly. So yeah, let's get started. So the next step would be to install the plugin. So I'll be putting this plugin in the description so that you can download it directly. So pretty much you just need to go ahead and download it over here. And once you're done downloading it, just drag it from here and drop it here. And that's pretty much it. You just need to restart the server. So once you've restarted the server, go back to your Minecraft server. And as you can see, I'm standing over here in an open ground for you to show properly. So basically the commands start with /pp. So there's a list of commands over here. So what you could do is you could actually set a spawn. So maybe let's do something like pp set spawn test, as you can see. And now you can do summon test. And now once you execute the command, there's even going to be some sound effects. So let's just listen to it. So as you can see, there's a pinata that spawned here. So pretty much I just need to keep hitting it. So as you can see, there's actually a chance for the hit. It's not like you're gonna hit it all the time. There's actually a 75% chance, and it's actually calculated on the base of 1 to 100. Right now it's actually on a chance based on 75%. And now let's just go hit it again. So let's go ahead. And as you can see, it has actually said that I've successfully hit the pinata. And let's just hit it again. And I mean, if you have noticed, it says that I've received $50. So it's actually a reward which you can configure. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but there's also a knockback. So let me just hit it again. So there's a special effects over there with the fireworks, then there's a title, then there's a sound effect. So pretty much you can actually configure everything, and that's pretty much how the whole Pinata system works. And yeah, let's just go to the configuration part. So now I'm in the file manager, so you just need to enter AT Pinata Party, then go to the config file, and now here you can edit all the configuration values. So pretty much if you have noticed, there was actually a name for the Pinata Party, so you could change that over here. And then you can also enable if you want it to glow, and then there's actually this hit multiplier. Basically what it does is, if there's like a single player in the server, it's gonna actually multiply it with that, and it's gonna let the llama only be hit thrice. So let's say there's 10 players, so it's gonna basically just do 30 because 3 into 10 is actually 30. So that's pretty much how the math works over there. And then as you can see, there's actually hit cooldown. So basically it avoids players from spamming the pinata. So maybe if someone is trying to double click it and such, you can actually prevent it easily by just adding a cooldown over here. And here's the hit chance I was speaking about earlier. So it just kind of makes sure that not all of your hits are registered. And then there's even a knockback feature over here. So I'm not going to go in detail with everything because everything is already explained, and it actually makes sense that the knockback actually applies on 20% of the hits. And you can also configure the knockback strength, the upward strength, the sound, and the particles, and even the spawn cooldown and such. There's even stuff you can edit on the movement. So maybe if you wanted to teleport it back to the spawn location, maybe after 5 seconds, you can put it to 5 over here. You can also edit the hologram over here. So you need decent holograms for it. And then you can also add the final fireworks over here. And here's where the locations apply. So if you remember, I actually made a set spawn test over here. So this is how it saves. And then there was rewards over here, so it actually takes the rewards over here on the chance basis per hit. And there was one death rewards here, so maybe if you're like participating in the event, and once it dies, basically it just gives everyone $500 because it's actually a 100% chance. And here basically you can just edit the sounds. So maybe if you want to change the countdown sound or the spawn sound or the hit sound and etc., you can edit it over here. And there's even like messages file over here, so you could also edit stuff like the prefix or even simple messages such as no permission. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more similar content. See ya.